Yes sir, rise and grind. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLS400 4MATIC. And we're going to be doing transmission service and spark plugs. So we got our parts. It's the gasket for the transmission pan. Our fluid is all of this is from the dealership. I want to make sure I got the right type. It's the filter. And our spark plugs. So we're gonna start with the spark plugs. Go ahead and knock that out. And I'm gonna split the video up and do the trans service in another one. Let's get it.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
So we gotta remove these. Remove all of that. Pop these up. That piece. Get that off. Time for some new filters. Alright, so we can work with this now. You see our bolts here. That's an E external. That's what I got going to get my bolts out from the coil packs. So the 1/4, that's gonna get it, fit right in there. All right, so that's an E10. And you just wiggle this up and off, up and off. It's got a little gasket that's sealed, so it won't break. Alright, and that's your 3 coil packs. I already got that one out. Got to get these out. So what I'm loosening them up with is a 1/4 socket. And we're going to get those out. Alright, so it's going to be 6 of them in total. 2 on each coil pack. Alright, I got that 1 coil pack out. It's gonna be a bitch, so this is how I did it. I ain't want to pull and yank and rip the rubber or nothing, so I just basically wiggle and tried my best to get it out as far as I could. And when I got it out, this is what I did. I used these right here. These are made to pull out spark plug boots. So I got back behind here, got right on it, squeezed it, and I pressed it out, just like that. And it helped me out a lot. Hopefully it'll help for you. And that worked out. All 3 of them. Get that 14 mil deep socket and a extension and your ratchet. Alright, we out. We're gonna do the same thing for the passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and fly through it. We're gonna add that to our threads on each one of them. Just like that. It's gonna keep it from seizing to the block. So when they come back out, it won't be so hard. Once you get them in, you wanna make sure you finger tight so you don't cross thread it. All right, we back in there. We're gonna go ahead and put the coil packs back on. Just like that, we done, man. I'm gonna leave the link in the description on the transmission service. Until next time, pull up King.